Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to like or unlike notes on Instagram. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. So let's just say your friend added a note here on his or her Instagram account. Then what you're going to do is you just have to basically tap that a note that this person have shared. So if you're going to tap this, then you will see a heart icon, and all you have to do is to tap that one. That's it. That's how easy it is. Now, if you want to unlike, you just have to tap the heart again. So you can also comment aside from liking or disliking the post or the note of your friend. So you have to make sure also that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Because if you're not using the latest version of your Instagram application, then there's a huge possibility that there are malfunctions and errors here on your Instagram. So you can go to your app info, clear cache. You can go to Google Play Store and then make sure that this one is the latest version. So search for Instagram. If you see an update button, then click update and then see if everything is okay. If you still encounter some errors, then the last thing to do here is you have to uninstall your Instagram and reinstall it again. So you can long press your Instagram application, tap on install, go back to this Play Store, Google Play Store, and then look for Instagram and then tap install. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.